Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now we'll have a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today is Motivational Monday. It is the first day and the first Monday of a new quarter, so we have lots of exciting things going on. We have a fresh start for everyone. So here are some good words to remember. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. So I hope you are all successful in this week and in this quarter. Today for breakfast, we have yogurt and cereal, fruit juice milk. For lunch, we're going to have chicken bites or chicken nuggets, green beans, sweet potato fries, carrots, roll, fruit, juice, or milk. So great goodies to have today. Tomorrow, we will be having for breakfast sausage patty or link, biscuit, fruit juice milk, and for lunch, we'll have a barbecue fajita on a bun or a wrap, tater tots, fruit juice, and milk. We have a lot of birthdays today. Jonathan Reynolds, Gloria Griffin, Aaron Lofton Nobles, Lily Richardson, and Bailey Dortch. Happy birthday to all of you friends today. I hope you have a wonderful day celebrating your birthday. Today's announcements. After morning announcements, place any library books that you're ready to turn in a basket outside your door. They will be picked up. I will get around to look for those today. A few more announcements. New duty assignments begin today. Please be prompt to your duty. There will be an in-person faculty meeting today. Ms. Horton has uploaded a presentation about our new multi-tiered system of support into Schoology. So please review this plan before you attend the meeting this afternoon. We will have PST meetings on Tuesday, November 10th, and another PD on Thursday, November 12th, and we will follow the extended PE schedule on both of those days. We are also out of school Wednesday in recognition of Veterans Day. So, busy week this week. And we are going to finish our newscast today with some exciting news. Our Shepherd Supporter of the Month for October has been selected, and it is Mr. Kwang Pham, who is the father of Augustine Pham in Miss Overstreet's room. Mr. Pham always makes sure that Augie is here on time and has what he needs. He also is great to our teachers. He brings water to the teachers that are on car duty, which is great on these hot days. Thank you for supporting Kate Shepherd, Mr. Pham, and we are tickled to have him and Augie here at Kate Shepherd. So he is our Shepherd Supporter of the Month. Congratulations. Next, that's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.